Today we're going to be talking about the assembly and the disassembly of two different types of mixers, a hand mixer and a stand mixer. The hand mixer uses two detachable mixers that will go into the two holes on the bottom of the mixer. First, we're going to look at the back of the mixer, which is where your hand will be. And you'll see that there's a graded scale. These are the speeds for which your mixer can go. Additionally, there are usually one button at the top of the mixer, and we'll come back to that later when we detach our mixers. So we have two different attachments, and the one that you'll want to attach first usually will have some sort of ring around it, and it will be shorter. That one will go in first, and it will go into the hole that has a ring that is more shallow. You'll also notice that it's important to line up the metal prongs with the holes that are in that plastic ring. The remaining mixer will go into the second hole. It'll be a little bit longer, so it'll go deeper into the mixer, and they should sit naturally next to each other. You'll then plug it in, and you can go ahead and keep using it. To disassemble this mixer, you will just push on this button. Both of these will come out, and then you can go ahead and wash them. After wiping down this mixer, it doesn't need to be further washed, but these should be washed and sanitized. Moving over to the stand mixer, this is a mixer in which the bowl sits into the machine. So the first thing you'll want to do is put the bowl into the base. You'll be able to find the groove, and you'll pull to tighten. It'll sit in here and it won't be able to move, and that's important for when it's mixing, that the bowl does not move with the attachment. We'll now review the three different types of attachments. So this is for doughs, and so this is something that you'll use for a thick or puffy pastry. This is the general mixer, and you'll use this for cookies or quick breads. And then the whisk would be used for creams or eggs that you are whipping. These will attach onto this metal prong, and this will have a hole in it which will slide up onto the mixer, and you will push and twist. You should be able to pull on it and it will not detach. When the mixer is lowered into the bowl, it should not touch the bottom, and usually on one side of the mixer there will be a lock, and that is important to activate before turning on the mixer, which you'll do on the other side with the graded level of speeds. So to take it apart, you will unlock the mixer, pulling the head of the mixer back up. You will take the attachment off by pushing in and twisting so that it lines up, and then it should easily slide off. And the bowl will additionally twist, and then the attachments will no longer line up, and you can remove the bowl from its place. And that is how to assemble and to disassemble a hand and stand mixer.